What's up, my loves? It's Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen, and today I wanted to film a beauty video for you guys. And so I'm going to be using this Morphe. I need to prime. So we're going to use some, I say we, because hopefully you're doing your makeup too. But this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and I like this primer because it doesn't keep me, it helps keep me matter than I usually would be, you know. Yeah, so I like to apply this like in the center of my face, like in my brows. It just helps. And then I usually go like on the outer with another primer. So I guess I'll use some of this Laneige right here, since I haven't used it in a minute, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer parts of my face. Ooh. Okay, so what I want to do is show you how I do my brows, and the brow product that I'm going to use on today is from Morphe. This is, let's see, the brow cream in the shade Mocha. Looks like that, and so far I've been loving it. And I'm just going to use it with this brush from Tarte that has like an angle on one side and a spoolie on another, and we're just going to fill in these little sparse brows. So I make my line how I want my brows to be. Why am I closing it up? Then I do the top. And sometimes it'll look thick, but you can change it up by putting like some concealer. So I'm just looking in the mirror behind my camera. Since I'm filming, I'm trying to be more, you know, precise. But if I wasn't filming, I would have slapped these brows on real quick. And I just flick the front out. Some people like to go up, like so. But I don't know. I just flick it out. I take the brush and I turn it the opposite way. And I just flick it out. And I still like take my little spoolie and I blend it out so it won't be so harsh in the front. You know, it just had that like fade going on. And then I'll take a flat brush like so. This is from Morphe as well. And even if you don't have a angle brush like that, Elf sells one for $1. So there's no excuse. This is $1. This pomade was $6. And you get you some like concealer, and then you just do your brows. So there is no excuse. So now we're gonna take some concealer. This is in ginger. And make sure I don't take a lot, because I don't like it to be too much under here. Okay, and I just blend it out like so. Now the other concealer, did I take it to work? Let's see. Okay, so now we have the caramel, and we just go on top. Now, to me, I feel like my brows is a little thick, so I'm going to try to make it a little bit more thinner. Okay. Okay. Take a little bit more. Okay, so that should be good. And I just flick it up. I wear glasses, you guys, so I be trying to make sure I see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard. And then, you know, if you mess up, you can just go over it. So I'm just going to take this little L pencil and fill that part right there in. But for the most part, I really like this pomade. It's really good. It's really good, for real. I mean, you don't have to spend like what? How much is it's really good. You don't have to spend a lot of money and get Anastasia, because you don't have to. I'm just letting you guys know there is an alternative for everything, and I do mean everything. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg. Now there's some things that you just can't get around, but for the most part you can always find a dupe. Nothing new under the sun. So when they made one, they didn't stop making. You know, it's always somebody that want to outdo somebody, and then we can sell it for less. So as opposed to spending $20 something for Anastasia, or who else? Right now I just see Anastasia in front of me, which is this right here. You can just buy Morphe and it does the same thing. So I'm just like brushing, like blending out that concealer so it won't look so harsh underneath. And in the front, I just take my brush and I just kind of like blend, you know, so it can like fade. It won't look so, you know, crazy. Okay. All right, so we are finished with the brows.